Good afternoon. Yesterday I got a call from my friend James asking if I had any free time, and I did. I was doing another job, but yes, could I help him moving a bed and 10 or so bags of crap, which I did. And amongst the bags of crap were all these models, and they're used for hairdressers to practice their skills on. Look at that, they have a punk rock. I don't know what that girl's doing, another punk rocker. And that's Bjork, I think. And there's a cheeky lady, and there's even one there doing a face print on a printer. But when I came to the van this morning, I heard a buzzing noise, and I thought, and sometimes taking stuff away, I do hear things like things get switched on and moved about, and it's not the first thing, and it's not the first time either that I had found a sex toy in taking things away. And so when I heard this buzzer, and then there you go, and this is what was buzzing. And no, it's not a gigantic flexible rabbit toy. It is a kerosene remover from tanks, and you poke that into the one end into the tank and the other end into your kerosene holder for the fire, and you pump it out. They are quite good, these, and they can stop your hands from getting very smelly. So this was part of the things I took away yesterday for this young lady. And like I said, it's not the first time I've come across these in the rubbish either, because I'm sure if you buy them new, they're quite expensive. But I am looking forward to making a few videos with these. So say bye-bye, girls. If you like, please share, subscribe, and have a look round the other 2,000, soon to be 600 videos on my channel, Arrghgarry. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Please share, subscribe, like, or leave a comment. Comments would be good. I like comments. Bye-bye, good or bad. In fact, I get very few bad comments, believe it or not. Bye-bye.